Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 75. If we start with this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 here and a 6 here, so this is our 7. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this bottom row now, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 8. 2 here, so 7, 8. 2 here, so 7, 8. That means that our 2 for that row has to be here. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 makes this our 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this top row, we're missing a 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. And that 3 makes this our 8 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.